If your Honda CR-V is refusing to start, don't panic. Most of the time, the fix is simpler than you think. Statistically, over 85% of no-start issues in newer CR-Vs are caused by a weak or discharged battery. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to find out exactly why your engine isn't turning over. Always start with the basics. Check your gear selector, test the headlight brightness, and listen for any clicking sounds. The battery is your primary suspect, so check for loose cables, heavy corrosion, or a simple case of old age. If you have a push-button start, a dead key fob battery might be preventing the immobilizer from recognizing your key. You can handle jumps and cleaning at home, but a failed starter or fuel pump usually requires a professional shop. While a battery replacement is relatively cheap, expect to pay significantly more for a new starter or alternator. If you need to jump start, always connect the positive cables first and use a solid metal ground for the negative. Keeping a portable jump pack and a basic code reader in your CR-V can save you from being stranded. Remember, constantly cranking the engine will only damage your starter and kill your battery faster. Follow these steps to get your Honda back on the road and subscribe for more DIY automotive guides.